Okay, everybody. So, welcome back once again. For those of you who are just joining us, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and it's the 16th of June, 2023. And today, for our community, I'm recording a whole bunch of tutorials on using newsletter marketing to grow your digital media brand. I just uploaded actually to YouTube a simple walkthrough on Flowdesk, creating landing pages either for yourself or your clients using Flowdesk in a very cool and creative way. And in this video, we're going to look at Ghost, and I'm going to show you a very cool feature they just released in the last, I don't know, like week or so, maybe 2 weeks. That's quite cool. It's ideal for those of you who are building authority sites, local directory style communities, curated content sites, and ostensibly, of course, newsletters. So I'm going to switch here to Chrome because Chrome actually is the tool that this integrates with. It's an extension, which you can see here. And this particular community that we are building this summer, I'm actually not building this myself. There's a VA virtual assistant who's doing all the work on this. I'm going to show you really quickly, though, how easy now you can create or how easily you can create a newsletter using curated content and Ghost in effortless and really elegant, process. And this is really ideal for folks who may have been using something like Review in the past. Review, for those who are not familiar with it, I've actually been using Review since they launched, like years and years ago. They were purchased by Twitter, and then unfortunately, Elon Musk decided to sunset the program for whatever, or the platform for whatever reason. I guess early in 2023, it was for curated content. It was really a beautiful platform, and for some strange reason, he decided to pull the plug, and lo and behold, all of us using Review had no access to Review anymore. So this new Ghost extension does something that's similar to that, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. So things to do at the Shore this weekend. I just actually typed this into Google. Here are the results, and we're doing this because the site that you're about to see, built on Ghost, is actually for a local Jersey Shore community. All right, so let's just pull up anything. I'm going to pull up this one here, New Jersey Monthly. I've never looked at this before, or if I have, I don't remember. And here are things that are happening at the Shore this weekend. So I'm going to go to this Ghost bookmarker. I'm going to click on it here, and I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to add the link to Ghost. And we're going to just going to continue to do this. Let's see what else I can find. June 7th. All right, this is a little old. It doesn't really matter because I'm doing this really just for demonstration purposes. My computer actually just starts to sound like it's about to take off and fly away. All right, so these were things to do last weekend. Again, I'm not going to keep this live. I'll probably delete this post. I'm not even really doing the work on this site. As I mentioned before, we have a VA working on it. But, I want to, if possible, add things that, we can actually use rather than wasting time and doing a video of content that's not going to be included. But something from 6.7 when it's 6.16 obviously is not content that I would include. There is a easy workaround for that. I'll show you that in the next video. But in the meantime, let's see. Let's just pull up some restaurants at the Shore. Let's see, does that link directly to them? Or is this just open table? Let's just see what happens if I save this. All right, let's add this link to Ghost. And okay, so now I'm going to go back. Let's see if I can find my Ghost installation. Is it here? Let's just do this here. Let's pull it up this way. And here it is. And let's see. So I'm going to the back end of this. And here you have bookmark links, Ian Ross. That's me, added a few seconds ago. Let's look at this. And there you have it, right? So now we have some bookmark links. I can change this to all right, let's publish it. And again, I'm going to actually delete this later, but for the time being, so you can see it, this is what it looks like. And you can see here are links to each one of those resources that I just shared, right? And of course, you can add 10, 12, 7, 8. You know, you can do as many of these as you want. You can add an excerpt. Why do I put an exclamation point next to everything? I think that just shows you my default enthusiasm for life. It doesn't actually. All right, let's see what else. We can feature this post if we wanted. So now this, this is going to sit at the top of the site. And you can add tags and everything else. We can make this members only if we wanted. So you can watch this. It's now going to require people sign in for the newsletter. Right? So people would have to sign up, etc., etc. This is very, very cool. You can make this paid members only. So if you're building a membership style site on Ghost, this is really, really cool. So the distinction that is different about paid members versus members are paid members obviously are folks who've paid to have access to your newsletter rather than folks who may have signed up for free. And, lastly, the tier, you can select tiers that are, just specific. So you can have a variety of tiers that have access to this, but let's say the paid members base tier does not, etc.,